All right, what's up, everybody? We got a Tesla Model 3 to show you. What's nice about these Teslas is just how sleek and simple they truly are. It's kind of cool how Tesla could take a car and make it simple, right? As far as the looks are concerned, right? Just sleek, smooth, not over the top with tons of buttons and controls and all that. I mean, let's just really dive into it, right? I mean, a simple handle, and then the interior is, everything's just laid out so perfectly, which is something that's incredible. I mean, so many car brands over the last 50 years, you know, they just have so many buttons and controls. And then, yeah, this guy Elon Musk comes around and designs this, and everything's pretty much controlled through a screen right here. I mean, yeah. And then when you get on the inside, it is so quiet. That's pretty cool too. But again, I mean, as far as buttons are concerned, this is like the buttons here. You got these right there just to put the wipers, the blinkers, and the drive mode, and then that's it. You know, if you've never been inside one before, it actually, you'd sit here for a minute and go, okay, how do I actually crank the car up? Where do you put the key in? You don't have any of that. Anyways, it's cool, it's luxurious, it's exciting, and crazy enough, it's still got a really pretty hefty price tag on it, in the upper 40s, right? I mean, come on, for a pre-owned Tesla Model 3. But anyways, this isn't just your base model. I mean, this is black on black, and it's hooked up. I mean, it's got the max range and all that fun stuff. But anyways, I'm no Tesla expert by any means of the matter, but I will be doing a little bit more in-depth review on this car, probably this coming week. So stay tuned on CCV. And hey, we got another one, so be ready. If you're out there looking for one to buy right here in the Charleston area, Southern Motor Company's got it, and we're hosting it right here on Charleston Car Videos. Awesome.